If you're a student or beginner trying to understand IT, information systems, or programming without the confusing jargon, welcome to LD Tech Lab. Make sure to subscribe, and let's break this topic down step by step.
If you're learning Java and you feel like, I know the syntax, but my program still doesn't work, this video is for you. Most Java beginners don't fail because of syntax, they fail because of logic. Today, I'll explain why this keeps happening, where your thinking goes wrong, and how to fix your logic mindset permanently. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Java is not confusing, but your thinking process is. Many beginners memorize syntax, copy examples, and pass quizzes, yet still can't write a program alone. Why? Because logic isn't about memorization, it's about order, conditions, flow, and cause and effect. Beginners often skip these foundational elements. There are three major mistakes beginners make. First, thinking in English instead of steps. You might think, if the user inputs a number, the program should decide if it's even or odd, but Java doesn't understand intent. It needs specific steps. Input, store the value, apply the condition, and produce the output. Second, never assume the computer knows what you mean. Computers are stupid by design. They only do exactly what you tell them, in the exact order you provide. Finally, many write code without tracing it. For example, if you write an if statement followed by two print lines without proper blocks, Java may only execute the first line conditionally while the second runs every time. This isn't a syntax error, it's a logic misunderstanding. The most dangerous issues occur when your code compiles but gives the wrong result. Because there is no error message or warning, you can get stuck for hours. The problem isn't Java, it's your mental execution. To fix this, follow 3 steps. Step 1. Think like the computer. Before you write a single line, ask yourself, what happens first? What value changes? What condition is checked? Step 2. Trace every line manually. Ask what the value is right now and which line executes next. This fixes 70% of logic errors. Step 3. Use print statements as debugging tools. If you aren't sure of your logic, use system.out. Print ln to check your variables. If the value surprises you, your logic is wrong. It's that simple. The key takeaway is this. Good Java programmers don't write code faster, they think slower and clearer. Logic must come before syntax, and understanding must come before memorization. Once you fix your logic, Java becomes easier, errors make sense, and programming stops being scary. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for real Java explanations. Comment the word LOGIC if you want a follow-up video on debugging.
If this video helped you understand the topic better, please like, subscribe to LD Tech Lab, and comment below what you want to learn next. Your questions help shape future lessons.